anyways, it's not about the vehicle you're in, but how you get there. So, this is something I've been considering for quite some time now. As you know, I four-wheel drive in my 4Runner.
See that suspension flexy?
Not really.
Too many times to count, I've sat in my 4Runner at the bottom of a single track trail that I would love to go explore, but you just can't in a four-wheel drive. So, this channel isn't vehicle specific, anything like that. I've brought my Tundra out, I've brought the 4Runner out, and now added to the family is a 2025 Kawasaki KX250. Super excited about it, extremely excited to bring you guys out and explore some of the trails on 2 wheels as well as 4 wheels. I like to keep things true, and I like to keep things random, and this is about as random as you can get. I am by no means a dirt bike rider. I can ride a dirt bike, and I plan on getting better on this thing as time goes on. So with that being said, I have my Tundra. It fits in the bed of the Tundra just fine, but that's more so my wife's vehicle. So I need a way to get this thing around with my 4Runner, and I have a small trailer sitting in the yard, belongs to my brother, and he gave me the green light to use it behind the 4Runner to pull this little booger around. So I'm gonna do kind of a new segment, and I'm gonna call it Barn Builds. I'm gonna bring that trailer in here, and I'm gonna whip up just like a random little tire slip for it that's removable, just for easy load, easy strap down and things of that nature. So we're gonna get some steel together and start welding up a tire slip, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. Let's do it. Here's the culprit right here. It's got good bones. It sits low. Super small, which is great for the 4Runner's sake. Needs a little TLC. But what I'm thinking is I'm going to build some sort of slip-in bracket. First things first, I gotta get this thing into the barn over there. I really don't want to hook it up to the 4Runner just to move it. So, let's break our back, shall we? It's on a hill. Tell you what, it does not pay to be lazy. But hang on, doing that the hard way, I think that would make me not lazy. That thing is wedged in there. Our slips. Let's go check to see what kind of nuts and bolts I got going on over here. As you can tell, I am highly organized here. All right, now the fun part. Let's start welding some stuff together. Still got a bunch of cutting to do to figure out the slip, how I'm going to place that, this, that, and the other, but for now, we will get our little yokes, we'll call them, set up. I'm using a Miller-Matic 135. The thing's probably older than I am. And I'm running flux core wire in it, 035, because when it is hooked up to a gas bottle, it just sucks. No penetration. So I run flux core on it, especially because I'm constantly fixing horse stalls here at the house. So it's gonna be messy, but it's gonna be strong. It's gonna work. It has to work. honestly just winging this until something works. Alright, so this 1 inch will likely be trimmed down. It's going to give me a frame that I can build my slip off of, but I'll trim it up to that length so it's all nice and pretty. Yeah, that'll just slip right in there. Now I need to build pretty much the tire box. I don't know what any of this stuff is called, guys. I don't know the motorcycle world. Yet, here I am with a green Saki. Harbor Freight OG hood. Can't go wrong with it. We're getting somewhere. What I like about these barn builds is I really don't have to give a shit, you know, how the weld looks or anything like that. I don't gotta lay dimes or stack pickle chips or nothing like that. Just stick that sumbitch together. What a Frankenstein build, dude. I don't even care. I can guarantee you this thing right here is probably the most unsquare thing I've built. I don't care. Like, I don't even know if this is gonna work. But it's free. Honestly, not the best looking thing ever. Let's see how stout this thing gets. Ain't gonna go. We just gotta hit it with a hammer. Cool. So, the main concern here was this, contacting the brake caliper. Do not want that. Let's see how it tows. Well, my dudes, it pulls really good. I'm somewhat satisfied with it. This is let me add that this is just a temporary type of fix here. I'll look into something different here, more permanent, but we're in business with the 4Runner as far as being able to take this bike wherever I want with my vehicle. We're good to go. The little makeshift barn build tire slip thing, it's working. Well, guys, again, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you want. It'd be cool. I'll catch you on the next one.